Hello, science explorers. Today we're going to talk about something amazing. It is a force, an invisible force. This force is all around us all the time. It keeps our feet firmly on the ground. It is super important for everyone on Earth. Let us find out more about this mysterious pull. It is like magic, but it is pure science. Wow, now, think about a big green apple tree. Imagine a shiny red apple. It is hanging on a branch. The wind blows a little. Suddenly, the apple breaks from the stem. It falls down, down, down. It lands on the soft green grass below. It does not float up into the blue sky. Why does it always fall down? Good question. A very, very smart man once saw this. His name was Sir Isaac Newton. He was sitting under an apple tree. An apple fell near him. He thought very, very hard about this. He said,
"Aha, I know. There must be a force pulling the apple down."
He gave this special pull a name. He called it gravity. What a brilliant discovery that was. Let us imagine our colorful stickman friend. We will call him Raju. Raju is a curious little stickman. He is playing happily under that same apple tree. The red apple falls right near his feet. Raju picks it up with a smile. He looks up at the sky, then down at the apple. He wonders,
why did it fall down, not up?
It is Earth's gravity, Raju. Our big Earth is pulling it. Now let's see Raju the stickman do something fun. Raju wants to jump high. He bends his little stick knees. He pushes off the ground with all his might. Raju goes up in the air. He feels like he is flying for a moment. But then, what happens next to our friend Raju? Does he keep going up into the clouds? No, he does not. He comes back down. Raju always comes back down to the ground. He does not float away into outer space. This is because of Earth's strong gravity. Our planet Earth pulls Raju back towards it. It is like a gentle, invisible hug. A hug that our planet gives to everything on it. This hug keeps us safe and sound on the surface. It is always there, working quietly. Thank you, gravity.
Our Earth is very, very big, isn't it? It is like a giant ball spinning in space. This huge Earth has a very big pull, a very strong pull. It pulls everything towards its center, its very core. Not just Raju, but also big houses and tall trees. Even the air we breathe is held close by this pull. It keeps everything in its proper place. Without it, things would be quite messy.
So when Raju drops his favorite toy car, it falls straight down to the floor. When he throws his colorful ball up in the air, it always comes back down to him. Earth's gravity is always working, day and night. It pulls everything towards the middle of the Earth. This is a very strong and constant pull. It is what makes things have weight. It is a fundamental force of nature. Now let's imagine Raju takes an amazing trip. He puts on a special suit. He gets into a super fast rocket ship. Zoom! He goes far, far away, all the way to the moon. The moon is our neighbor in space. It is much smaller than our big Earth. Does the moon also have a pull like Earth? Yes, it certainly does, but it is a little bit different. Let's see how. On the moon, Raju meets his new stickman friend. Let's call him Chandu. Chandu the stickman lives on the moon. The moon's gravity is much, much weaker than Earth's. Because the moon is smaller, its pull is not as strong. It is like a very small, gentle hug.
So when Chandu jumps, guess what happens? He goes really, really high. He floats for a little while before coming down slowly. Boing! What fun for Chandu!
Now let's see what happens when they drop things. If Raju drops a small stone on Earth, it falls fast to the ground. Thud! The Earth's strong gravity pulls it down quickly. But if Chandu drops a moon rock on the moon, it also falls towards the moon's surface. But it falls much, much slower than on Earth. It looks like it is happening in slow motion, drifting down gently. So, you see, the pull is different. Raju on Earth feels a strong pull from gravity. This strong pull keeps him firmly on the ground. He can walk and run normally. Chandu on the moon feels a very weak pull. He can bounce around and take giant steps. He feels much lighter there. This is why astronauts you see in videos look like they are bouncing. It is all because the moon's gravity is weaker. Raju is now back on our home planet, Earth. He wants to do a cool science experiment. He has two different things to drop. First, he has a big, heavy ladu, a sweet treat. Second, he has a small, light flower petal. He wants to see which one will fall faster. Will the heavy ladu win the race to the ground, or will the light flower petal surprise us? What do you think will happen, science fans? Let's find out. Raju stands on a small, sturdy stool. He is being very careful, of course. His good friend, another stick girl named Meena, helps him. Raju holds the heavy ladu in one hand. He holds the light flower petal in his other hand. He drops them both at the exact same time.
1, 2, 3, go.
Plop! Thwack! They both hit the ground together. At the very same moment. Amazing! This shows us a super cool secret about gravity. It is a very fair force. It pulls on all things with the same acceleration. This means they speed up at the same rate as they fall. It does not matter if the object is big or small. It does not matter if it is heavy or light. We are ignoring the air around us for this because air can push back on light things like feathers more. But without air, a big stickman and a tiny stickman doll would fall at the same speed. So gravity is truly amazing and magical, isn't it? It is a fundamental force of our universe. It keeps us safe and sound on our planet Earth. It makes delicious apples fall from trees for us to eat. It lets us play fun jumping games with our friends. And it even makes sure that everything falls at the same speed in a race. Gravity is our constant companion, our invisible friend. Keep exploring and keep asking questions about science. Science